Right, the map shows below route from Edinburgh to Dundee. The route from Edinburgh to Dundee is approximately 4 centimetres on the map. The actual journey is approximately 100 kilometres. Calculate the scale of the map, giving your answer in the form 1 to whatever here. Right now, when it comes to having a scale here, okay, the units have to be consistent. You notice here, it doesn't say 1 centimetre or 1 kilometre. It's just got 1 because the units are irrelevant. So when we map this together here, you need to make sure the units are consistent. It says here that 4 centimetres is essentially equal to 100 kilometres. Okay, so 100 km. All right. Now, they're different units, aren't they? Okay, so we're going to have to work with this now to get the units the same. The first thing I would maybe do, because ideally we want to get 1 on this side, and because we've got 1 there, haven't we? We could change this to 1. So can we divide that by 4? Yeah? We divide that by 4. We'll get 1 centimetre. And divide the other side by 4, indeed, 25. So 1 centimetre is 25 kilometres. But it's not, you can't just write 25 there now, because remember now the units have got to be the same, okay? The units have got to be consistent so that we can ignore any units there in our scale. So 1 centimetre is actually worth 25 kilometres, okay? Let's then change maybe this to centimetres. If you think about it, 1 kilometre is 1,000 metres, okay? So let's change this to meters to start with. Okay, don't go straight for centimeters. Okay, let's go straight there to meters. So K is 1,000 meters, 25,000 meters. All right, so 1 centimeter on the map represents 25,000 meters. But again, we want to now change the meters to centimeters, and we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Okay, so here then, every metre there represents 100 centimetres, so we need to times this by 100, add 2 zeros on. Okay, so we get that amount there of zeros. Okay, so it will be 2,500,000. Now you notice now they're both in centimetres, so because they're both in centimetres, we can sort of ignore now the units and we can put our answer there. Okay. So we've got this sufficient amount of zeros there, and literally a ratio can be read as that. So 2,500,000, or 1 to 2,500,000. Okay, part B, the journey from Edinburgh to Dundee takes 2 hours and 30 minutes by car. Calculate the average speed of this journey. So the time is 2.5 hours. Okay, the distance, don't forget, is 100 kilometers. So speed is distance over time. The distance is 100 kilometers. The time is 2.5. So we just need to divide that. How many 2.5s are in 100? Well, one way you could do it is double the bottom. Okay, just change this fraction here. So doubling the bottom will make that a whole number. Okay, but if you double the bottom, you've got to double the top. So you get 200. And 200 divided by 5 then is 40. So it's 40 kilometers per hour.